Put your money in. I'm finna short everything. Oh, I've been watching 3 contracts. Hey, what's up, Charter fam? This video, we're going to take a look at a couple of charts, and we're going to take a look at that new class of tokens that everyone is speaking about. But for right now, if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to get right into this. All right, so we're looking at the render perpetual chart real quick, and I'm going to show you guys a play that I have been sitting in for the last like day and a half. I haven't really been too happy about that, but it's all good. It happens. Okay, so this is one of those cases where the charts ended up going against what I thought what was about to happen. Okay, we got in at the 754 mark. We actually waited for 4 confirmation candles. Okay, then I finally hop in at the 54 mark. I think what happened was I hopped in on the end of the trend. I'm watching professional traders daily, and we are all having these same issues. Okay, so it ended up hopping up to that $7.65 mark. It actually pushed through that 763 mark. It actually pushed through that 760 mark. All right, so as you can see, look, we have a pullback right here, started to pull back. But look at the motion though. Look at the motion. We ran up a little bit, we pulled back. We ran up, we pulled back. We ran up, we had a nice fat pullback. Okay, so well, it was kind of expected. Okay, so we're pulling back. I stayed in the trade. We're pulling back. I stayed in the trade. So right here, as you can see, you can tell some people kind of accumulated right here because they expected that. You know, that demand to come back in the house. Well, the demand started till it got back to that 760 mark, and then it did an amazing thing. It reversed on us. All right, it started going down, and I waited. You know, and you know, there's some pretty big drawbacks here. Okay, you know, at least a good, you know, at least a good what, maybe 5 to maybe anywhere from 4 to maybe 12%, something like that. Drawdowns, it's not really that much, but it was pulling back. So it pulled and it pulled. Right here was really nice. Okay, I seen the confirmation candles here. That would have been great. Right here, you can tell people accumulated right in this area. They were accumulating because they were like, okay, cool, the downtrend is over. Okay, next thing you know, we were thinking that it was going to go back up, reversed on us again, came back, boom, boom, boom. It dropped all the way down to that $7.36 mark. Then if you were around to pull this move off, there was a nice little long going on here. They got it all the way back to that 759 mark, and then it's just been trailing. It's pretty much just been ranging. I mean, call it what you want to, but ranging on a downtrend. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look, it's just ranging its way down. Render has been on fire, so the pullback is necessary. Okay, but look, I'm going all along this chart. You can see now from about the $7.06 mark, which my stop loss is like way at my stop loss is like at like $7. Okay, and my TP is somewhere up there. We'll check on that in a second. But if you were right here at the $7 mark and you happen to get that long in the house and you were able to stomach these pullbacks, you were able to push that all the way up to the 39 mark. Then we had another pullback. Okay, so as we can see, that's kind of where we are at now. And now we're gonna go all the way. We are here. Okay, we're at the $7.43 mark. Okay, this is what our trade is looking like here. We're at negative 28 cents. Okay, it's been a battle. See, my SL is at $7 and my take profits at $7.64. So because this trade I've been in this trade for so long, I am probably going to end up breaking even. It looks like we are on an uptrend now, so it's pretty much just going to be a waiting game. I'm very sure I'll be able to come out with the W, but we'll never really know. Okay, I was also taking a look over here at the link perpetual chart. We are on a crazy uptrend. I always roll on the 1 minute and 5 minute charts Okay, you know, it's just my thing. You know, that's all. I mean, I check the 4 hours and the 1 days and the 1 weeks and all that, you know, for confirmation and all that good stuff. Trying to see what the market is doing, catch the trend and all that good stuff. But you know, ones and a 1 minute, 5 minute, that's probably where you'll find me at. Okay, so Link has been going up. I mean, Link is in a serious uptrend now. It bounced all the way from that 18 mark all the way to that 1903 mark, so it's been kind of ranging a little bit there. It was kind of ranging around here, around that 18 mark around here, and it popped up, so that's pretty much a good thing. Now, whether it's going to get back to all-time highs, I don't really know, but from a long and short standpoint, I see that this trend probably, it's already kind of taken off a little bit. You know, I'm not really going to play with it. I'll actually wait, you know, for a little bit more confirmation, you know. Probably let it play out for a few more minutes. You can see another green candle just came in. Demand is in the house. But that's kind of where we are with the Link chart. I'll probably try and knock it for a short. You know, but not right now because we got some strong demand in the house. But we just have to wait and see. Okay, so right now I was taking a look over here at the Filecoin chart earlier, and I think I popped a short about this. But Filecoin, I think at its ATH was about $4.33. Whether it's gonna really get back to that point, I don't think so, because there's a lot more coins in circulation right now. But you never know. This is crypto. You know, you can say that, and say that, and next thing you know, it ends up getting around that $200 mark. And now you're sitting here wondering, scratching your head, should I sell or not? Me, let this jump to about the like $60 mark or something. I see some nice resistance here, some little bloppity blue going on right here. So I'm thinking about that, just to be a little bit more conservative, a little bit more safe about this bet. I'll probably stick to about the anywhere between the $40 and $60 mark, and then I'm getting up out of there. You know, I have a medium-sized bag of Filecoin, but we're gonna see. This is gonna be on the monthly chart, and it's on a small uptrend here, and it looks like it's getting started a little late, but we're gonna see what happens as time goes on. Okay, and I was also taking a look at Seller Network. I got a bag of Seller on Binance. I really didn't, like I said, when I first purchased Seller, I didn't really know much about it, to be honest. I actually just purchased it, and as I looked into it, I actually got kind of interested in the project. Okay, and let's take a little look here. Let's see, go take the price. So Seller jumped up a nice amount, and this has been since June of 2020. Okay, so Seller, since June of 2020, it's went up probably about a good 78x. Okay, so it's almost to 80x, okay, from where it was, but it's big pullback here. Okay, and it's pretty much ranging. Seller has been going crazy a little bit. It went up a little bit, you know, it went up a little bit. Like I said, it has an ATH of about 20 cents. Okay, so we just kind of have to wait and see what's going to happen with that. I'm very sure once everybody starts flocking in, these prices are going to go through the roof. So where this is going to go, don't really know, but hopefully it goes a little bit. I'm telling you, from me, for what's going on with me, I'm gonna say if it does reach ATH, if it's blasting through the roof, just know that I will be keeping my eyes on it. Okay, because if it reach ATH, I'm going to be sitting around chilling, just watching it, and if it starts doing anything crazy, I might go ahead and just hop on out. But I plan on getting rid of most of my positions somewhere around, everyone they're saying like the end of 2025 and all that good stuff, but I'll probably cut it a little shorter than that, around like June, July. Make sure that, you know, you ain't getting stuck leaving that back, carrying that back, because they get in fast, they wait, and as soon as the time's right, they're out of there, and no one's gonna tell you nothing. They're just gone. Okay, and you guys know who I'm talking about. All right, so these are going to be the ERC 404 tokens. Okay, now I've been hearing about these, but just not really, that ERC, messing with that ETH, I don't, you know what I mean? Ethereum is just way too damn expensive. I'm not really too sure even how you would purchase these tokens. I'm imagining, because it's like the mixture of ERC20 and ERC1731 or whatever the hell that is. We'll check on that in 1 second. But I'm on CoinMarketCap right now. Pandora, I was looking, it looks like is their biggest token out here. Must be their first token. I think it is. Their market cap is about 203 million. Okay, the price is about a little over $20,000, okay, per token on this. We're up 1.61% on the hour, okay. So I went over here, I was taking a look over here, and I went onto their website. Okay, there's not a whole bunch on here, but it does kind of give you a little bit of insight on what is going on. It says the ERC 404 has taken the crypto sphere by storm. ERC 404 is an open mixed ERC20 and ERC721 implementation designed to provide native localization while supporting seamless integration with existing protocols. So you guys can really look into this. It's very technical, okay? It's very technical, and if you are not into this coding stuff and all that, you are not gonna, you might not be able to take that in. Okay? And it looks very interesting. This token price kind of kills me off, but I don't think you should really worry about that. The market cap is probably what we should be concerned with. Circulating supply is only 10,000 Pandora tokens. That is excellent. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about these ERC 404 tokens. Are any of you guys in these tokens? You guys got Seller, Filecoin, anything like that? Anybody see any good plays going right here? We're on the render chart again. Seems like it's starting to go down. This chart just continuously keeps making its own floors, and it's just doing what it wants. I'm not messing with it till we see some good supply and demand going on. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. To the next video. I'm out.